Welcome to The Loop. Today we are talking about popular AI-enabled tools for content creation, including Canva, a graphic design tool that offers pre-designed templates and a drag-and-drop interface for creating visual content, including infographics, presentations, and social media posts. Adobe Spark, a content creation tool that offers a variety of templates, design tools, and image and video editing features, making it easy to create eye-catching visuals and animations. ContentSamurai, a video creation tool that uses AI to generate scripts, select images and music, and create slides, making it easy to create professional-looking videos in minutes. Wibbitz, a video creation tool that uses AI to analyze text and generate custom video content, including news summaries, product demonstrations, and more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to The Loop.